But I'm very much also happy that, again, in terms of development, the issue of green hydrogen, our two regions are one of the two fortunate regions to benefit and to share some of this. As you may know, that when you look at the world population, is growing increasingly very high. We are about 8 million people, 8 billion people on Earth, and this population is ever growing. With this growing of population, there are many needs that we need to give to our people, and we are seeing that the Earth itself is being destroyed through climate. I mean, through the emission of carbon dioxide